Hi, XAT exam is over. Now, what are the MBA entrance exam that you can target? Okay, so we'll list down a few core exams where you can still apply, register, and target. So one of them is MBA CET. So if you're looking at college like Bajaj, JBIMS, which is among the top 10 college in India, you can apply. Unfortunately, there are only very few seats for all India. There are 18 all India seats, but rest of the seats are for Maharashtra. So for courses affiliated to, let's say, Maharashtra, okay, so there is reservation to Maharashtra University, and mainly the colleges are based on Maharashtra, like Bajaj, Sidnem, etc. So there are two types of courses. One is affiliated to university, one is which is not affiliated to university. For the affiliated to university, which is there is 15% reservation of for all India seats. But one courses which are not affiliated, anyone can apply. There is no reservation for Maharashtra, non-Maharashtra. So there are PG courses which are available like Dalmia, Balaji, and so on, or SIES and other colleges where you can apply using the CET score, and there is no breakup in terms of Maharashtra seats and non-Maharashtra seats. But you will have to apply to these colleges separately. Dalmia and all have decent placements as such, so you can look out. If it fits a bill, you can maybe apply. But I don't see a harm in applying for CET for Bajaj, JBIMS, and Sidnem. They're good colleges you can apply to. If you get into a college, then it's worth it, definitely. So CET is one, you can research on it. It will be most probably conducted in March, and you can go ahead with it. Next is CMAT, okay, which is normally conducted in March, April. It's an all India exam. A lot of colleges across India do accept. Okay, there are few good colleges like JBMS for that 18 seats which are there, they do accept CMAT and CET board. Same as Sidnem for that 15% seats do accept that. But Jim, Great Lakes, Somaya, etc., some of the colleges do accept CMAT scores. So if you're really interested, you can apply for it and then go ahead with it. Okay, so there are quite a few CMAT colleges or colleges that accept CMAT, and you can definitely apply to those colleges. So CMAT is second option. MAT ATMA. Not many good colleges accept. A few of the colleges which accept, which you can look at as Wellinker, Christ, SIS, Dalmia, etc. There are quite a few colleges that do accept MAT ATMA, but none of the top colleges do accept it. So if you have not got admission anywhere and you want to do an MBA, then this is a good option where you can apply, write the exam, and try to get admission into one of the colleges. But before you take admission, do make a proper research on your placements, how the colleges, what the colleges. Most of the colleges are unknown in nature, so make sense to make your own research before, because you'll get a lot of applications and a lot of interview calls based on MAT ATMA. So be careful when you apply. CUET PG is a TIS. I mean, the forms are still out. You can apply. So if you're really interested in HR, this is one of the best colleges in India, second best after XLRI. So if you're really interested, you can apply for it. Prepare for TIS if you're interested. If not, I think CUET PG will have some, domain specific questions. So you'll have to study a lot for that. So see, research about the exam and then decide on whether you want to apply to TIS or CUET PG. Right. So you can look at this. All the best. And if you have any query, you can always put in the comment section and we will answer it. Right. Thank you.